Today, we're diving into the Portsmith PSA1UB1E-E, a robust solution for connecting Android tablets and mobile computers to Ethernet networks. Designed for durability, this adapter features a weather-resistant build, making it ideal for harsh environments where reliability is crucial. With a simple plug-and-connect setup, it seamlessly integrates with most Android distributions, eliminating the need for additional drivers. What sets the PSA1UB1E apart is its rugged one-piece design, ensuring it stands up to mission-critical tasks. Whether you're in industrial settings or outdoor deployments, this adapter promises stable performance without compromise. Its micro USB connector effortlessly links with Android devices, while the RJ45 Ethernet receptacle provides reliable network connectivity. For enterprise and professional users, the PSA1UB1E offers exceptional bill of materials (BOM) stability, ensuring consistency and reliability across deployments. It supports a wide range of devices from desktops to smartphones, expanding its versatility in various applications that if you're searching for a weather-resistant, ultra-rugged USB micro to Ethernet adapter that delivers on performance and durability, the Portsmith PSA1UB1E stands out as a top choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.